As business owners, we know that the fastest way to make more money is to keep our customers happy. But how do you know what makes them happy? You should probably be asking for feedback from your current clients. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, this is Jess T with Funnel Gorgeous, and today we're going to talk about customer feedback and why it is so vital not only for your current products and services, but also how feedback can give you ideas for new products and services. So first things first, how do you get customer feedback? You can ask for feedback in the forms of surveys, questionnaires. You can also put it in some onboarding forms. But let's be honest, the percentage of people who actually fill out surveys and questionnaires is pretty low. Most of the best feedback that we receive from our customers at Funnel Gorgeous comes live while the course is being taught. So for example, we heard over and over and over again that our customers were asking for the ability for our course material to be listened to on the go. So because of that feedback that we heard in the Zoom call or on the Facebook group, we started incorporating private podcast feeds into our courses. It's super easy and our customers love it. Another example is the evolution of our course, Launch Gorgeous. If you don't know anything about Launch Gorgeous and you're new here, Launch Gorgeous is something we offer twice a year. It is an 8-week live bootcamp that we teach that helps you launch a funnel. And from the feedback that we've gotten doing the course probably 8 times, maybe more over the past couple of years, we know that the hardest part is the tech of the funnel build. That is usually where people fall down and get very overwhelmed. So over the course of each iteration of Launch Gorgeous, using our clients' feedback, we've worked to make the teaching of the tech the easiest part. Now, this feedback from Launch Gorgeous did not come from a survey. It did not come from a questionnaire, and it did not come from an onboarding form. It came from listening to our customer in the moment. So we heard them on the Zoom call when they said it was overwhelming. We heard them in chat when they were confused what a trigger was. And we saw them in the Facebook group getting confused on the workflows and all these techie things, right? And because we listened to them in the moment and we changed and adapted it, that built trust. When your customer knows that you will listen to them and improve, you won't need any surveys or questionnaires. Listening to them and incorporating feedback in this way will make your customer feel involved and important. They know that their ideas are important in shaping your products. You'll build stronger relationships to your customer and improve satisfaction. So finally, feedback can help you come up with new products, which is super exciting. If you start listening to your customer and listening to the feedback that they're giving you live in the moment, you'll start to get new ideas for courses or services to offer. You'll see if there is something that you can add to your value ladder that will fill that need or that gap that your customer is asking for. So not only it's easy to think of feedback as a negative thing, but it can actually be a super positive thing and help you pivot and change and offer new services and products that you hadn't even thought of. So ultimately, feedback, customer feedback, is a part of business. Being able to take in customer feedback and use it to improve or develop new ideas is the key to being a better business owner and having better sales and, importantly, having a better customer experience. If you want to learn more about building stronger relationships with your customers, check out the How to Guarantee Returning Customers.